All right, Galaxy 99 V2. I'm going to run through this one real quick. Came in for retune. Um, when it came in, it was working. Uh, Back here at the coax plug was separating the middle, so it was hard to make contact. I went ahead and addressed that and fixed that. Of course, that's one of those things. As soon as I saw it, there's no charge for that. I just fixed that. Um, had relay talk back in it, which is fine. I don't knock relay talk back. Where this one was done up here at the front, it was probably one of the roughest, nastiest, most distorted talkbacks I've ever heard. So I went ahead and pulled that out. Put talkback back factory with the exception of loudness volume. So I'll turn talkback on real quick. Use a stock style coffin mic. Yeah, we're loud. Hello, audio check. All right. That is excessively loud right over my head. So, but it is a good, clean, strong, loud talkback. For this purpose, I'm going to leave it off. Y'all heard it. There was several things done to this radio that I don't typically recommend. We had some, I just dropped that on the floor, but had multiple swing kit style different modifications done. And as soon as I keyed this thing up, I had a scanner over here that was, trying to pick it up, that it was such a dirty, nasty radio that it was not just 27 megahertz, not just 54. We're talking 160, 240, 440. I was throwing blowout signals at 480 megahertz. That's not okay. That's bad. Anyway, clean that up, straighten the alignment up. It was 3kc off on AM. Sideband was way off. They actually had made some, whoever done this had made some resistors jumpering the sideband carrier balance, and this thing had like a 20-watt carrier for sideband with no adjustment, and no matter how it was set, they had probably, whoever done it, bragged about leaving the audio limiter intact, but had built a special circuit to bypass it. This thing was gross. Audio was terrible. Now, there was several audio mods that I've did see in here. Several of the ceramic caps that had been changed to can't think of it at the moment, but anyway, I checked the values, made most of that still in here, but I changed the value of one of them to be within spec, put the audio limiter circuit back intact, set the gate voltage on the finals, went back through the RF chain, and so let's just say at this point, being on frequency and not splattering across multiple bands like it was, audio limiter back intact, and a gate voltage to the finals being set within factory spec range, we actually picked up 9 watts peak, and we are able to turn the variable anywhere from top to bottom without distorting, without squealing, without sounding like trash. So that being said, this one has come a long way. That relay talkback is here. Like I said, I don't knock a relay talkback. Where this one was at, up here at the front, and glued in with that black nasty stuff, the Geico. I'm glad that stuff wasn't all over the board. I'm just gonna leave that at that. Where that was tied in, it was throwing it into, as soon as you turn it on, it was like it was stuck in transmit. It was tied in to short the receive and the transmit audio lines all at the same time without having a clean solid break. So it was always a little off. Anyway, straightened out sideband carrier balance, straightened out all the RF chain, the audio lines, realigned the frequency, cleaned up the talk back. I also changed Roger beat tone. I don't know if you noticed that when I had that on talk back a second ago. So instead of the typical short, high-pitched chirp that's just piercing, it is a longer tone with a smoother tone. That's not for everybody. Not everybody likes that. And you can turn that off. All right, variable power all the way down. I'll turn this down a little bit. Maybe a little more. 1 watt key on low. Roll it up. 12 watt key on high. Audio check. Audio check. As you can see, it's pegging that 20 watt scale. So let's bump it on up. Bump it on up. Variable power still all the way down. Audio check. 38 on that meter. And roll her back up. Audio check. Same 38 on that meter. Right here next to the speaker, you can hear. Hello, audio check. Audio check, check, check. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Good, clean, strong audio. A world of difference from what this one came in as. I'll take that Roger beep off for y'all too. Echo off. And let's throw her on sideband. Sideband. Hello, audio check. Test 1, 2, 3. Audio check. Variable power works. Audio check. 30 on high. Back it all the way down. Audio check. To about 8 on low. So works as it should, like you would want it to. Oh, this one had no audio on FM. So let's show the FM real quick. FM. Hello, audio check. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, clean, strong audio on FM. All right. This is a long video. There's a lot that was done on here. Trying to remember what all was done. I took a lot of stuff out of this one to make it right. And I'll just put that there. Cleaned a lot of stuff up. So it has come a long way. And should be one to be proud of at this point. But anyway, 99V2. Loud, clean, strong, and doing more power than it did with those other mods that was not quite sufficient.